Indus Valley Civilization, circa 3300 to 1300 BCE. Location? Primarily the Indus River Basin, modern-day Pakistan and northwest India. Leaders? Likely a decentralized system of priest-kings or merchant councils. No specific names are recorded. Engineering? First use of a grid-based urban plan, sophisticated underground drainage systems. Architecture? Massive granaries and the Great Bath of Mohenjo-Daro, utilizing bitumen for waterproofing. Math? Development of precise ratios for brickmaking, 4 to 2 to 1, and standardized weights and measures. Metallurgy? Early bronze casting using the lost wax technique, aka the dancing girl statue. Art? Intricate steatite seals featuring the Pashupati, Proto-Shiva, and various animals. Influence? Traded extensively with Mesopotamia, Sumerians. Indus beads have been found in Ur and Kish. 2. Vedic period and Mahajanapadas, circa 1500 to 500 BCE. Location? The Indo-Gangetic Plain, north and central India. Leaders? Tribal chieftains, rajas, evolving into kings like Bimbisara and Ajatashatru, Magadha. Political science/military? Emergence of the Ghana Sanghas, early republics, and the concept of Chakravartin, universal ruler. Math? The Sulba Sutras contain the earliest expressions of the Pythagorean theorem for altar construction. Metallurgy? The Iron Age transition, development of high-carbon steel in South India. Art/literature? Oral composition of the Vedas and Upanishads, foundational to global philosophy. Influence? Spread of Vedic philosophy into Central Asia via migration and trade routes.
3. Mauryan Empire, circa 322 to 185 BCE. Location? Encompassed almost the entire subcontinent, except the far south, centered at Pataliputra, modern Patna. Leaders: Chandragupta Maurya, Bindusara, Ashoka the Great. Political science: Chanakya's Arthashastra, one of the world's first treatises on statecraft, espionage, and economic policy. Architecture: massive stone pillars, Ashoka pillars, with mirror-like polish, the Great Stupa at Sanchi. Military: deployment of massive war elephant corps that terrified Hellenistic armies. Art: the lion capital of Ashoka, now India's national emblem. Influence: Ashoka's Buddhist missions reached Greece, Egypt, Sri Lanka, and Southeast Asia. 4. The Golden Age, Gupta and Classical Era, circa 319 to 550 CE. Location: North and Central India. Leaders: Chandragupta I, Samudragupta, Chandragupta II, Vikramaditya. Math: Aryabhata calculated pi to 4 decimal places and formalized the concept of zero and the decimal system. Science: postulation that the Earth rotates on its axis and orbits the Sun. Gravity was hinted at as a force. Medicine: Sushruta, the father of surgery, detailed rhinoplasty and cataract surgery in the Sushruta Samhita. Architecture: transition from rock-cut caves, Ajanta Ellora, to freestanding Hindu temples. Metallurgy: the iron pillar of Delhi, which has remained rust-free for over 1,600 years due to advanced phosphorus content. Influence: the Indianized kingdoms of Southeast Asia, Angkor Wat, Borobudur, were born from this era's cultural exports.
5. Medieval powerhouses, Chola and Vijayanagara, c. 300 BCE to 1646 CE. Location: Southern India, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, with maritime reach to Indonesia. Leaders: Rajaraja Chola I, Rajendra Chola I, Krishnadevaraya. Military, naval. The Cholas possessed the world's most powerful navy of the time, turning the Bay of Bengal into a Chola lake. Architecture: the Brihadishwara Temple, the first all-granite temple, with a 66-meter-high tower, Vimana. Metallurgy: mastery of bronze casting, specifically the iconic Nataraja, dancing Shiva, statues. Engineering: massive irrigation tanks, and the Grand Anicut, one of the oldest water regulation structures still in use. Influence: heavy influence on the languages, religions, and administrative styles of Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand. 6. The Mughal Empire, c. 1526 to 1857. Location: almost all of South Asia, centered in Delhi and Agra. Leaders: Babur, Akbar, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. Architecture: the Indo-Islamic style, culminating in the Taj Mahal, Humayun's tomb, and the Red Fort. Use of pietra dura, stone inlay. Military: evolution of gunpowder warfare in India. The use of rocket artillery, later refined by Tipu Sultan. Art: Mughal miniature painting, blending Persian, Indian, and European techniques. Political science: Akbar's Mansabdari system, a unique administrative and military grading system. Metallurgy: mastery of Wootz steel, Damascus steel, highly sought after by Crusaders and Central Asians for its edge retention. Influence: India became the world's largest economy, approximately 25% of global GDP, during this time, fueling the global demand for textiles and spices that eventually drew Europeans to Indian shores. Summary of global influence: to Eurasia, the decimal system and Arabic numerals, actually Indian, Buddhism, and advanced steel. To Africa, maritime trade routes linked the Chola and Gujarati merchants to the Swahili coast, Zanzibar, Kilwa, exchanging spices and textiles for gold and ivory.